करिए। Dear students, we are studying about pair of linear equation in two variable, and in this case, see this situation as a question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Now you have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically, right? As I done in last class. So here are two persons, Aftab and daughter. Now let us assume the age of these two persons. Now let present age of Aftab. Aftab is X year and present age of his daughter. Present age of his daughter is Y years. Right? In the lower classes you have done it, but so condition first, or according to question we can say condition first, we can say by problem. So many words you can use by problem, or you can use different word according to question, condition first, by problem. Now first thing, 7 years ago. If your age is today 17 years. Now 7 years ago, what was your age? Ago means before. Before means you have to subtract 7. Now 7 years ago you will be minus 7, 10. Means going 7 years ago you have to subtract 7. In which cases 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then, right? But both will be back 7 years. So if Aftab is X, his daughter is Y, right? Now first thing, taking this situation, this condition, we try to equate the equation. We try to equate the both ages. 7 years ago, what will be the condition? Just we apply it. We try to equate the both ages. Now Aftab is X, his daughter is Y. So 7 years ago, first step, 7 years ago, we have to subtract 7 both sides. 7 years ago जाने के लिए दोनों को हमने क्या किया? 7 से माइनस किया. अब आफ्ताब एंड डॉटर बोथ आर 7 years ago. दोनों की 7 years ago की एज हमको मिल गई, राइट? नाउ आफ्ताब इज 7 times his daughter. Who is? आफ्ताब is 7 times his daughter. आफ्ताब is 7 times means multiplied by 7. आफ्ताब is 7 times his daughter. Okay. In other word, it is 7 times, so I will multiply 7 in lower number. Suppose a number is 10, other number is 70. Write like this. If Aftab age is this, daughter age is this. Since we see here Aftab is 7 times his daughter, so how we can equate this problem? How can equate both ages? So see, he is 7 times, so we multiply 7 in this. Always multiply in lower. Multiply करेंगे किसमें? छोटे वाले में. छोटे वाले को बड़ा करेंगे या बड़े वाले को छोटा करेंगे. तो इजी इज दैट, जो छोटा है, जो कम एज है, उसमें 7 times आप multiply कर देंगे. So this will be, both ages will be equal, right? Left hand side and right side will be equal. So simplify this equation, you get x minus 7 equal to 7y minus 49. Now transfer it, x minus 7y equal to minus 49 plus 7. 7y transferred here and minus 7 transferred here plus. We will get x minus 7y equal to minus 42. This also can be written as x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. This is the first equation. This is the algebraic representation of the first statement. Right? Now this situation convert into the algebraic form. Second equation. In second equation, I am doing just here. Also, 3 years from now. What it mean by 3 years from now means go ahead. 3 साल आगे जाना है. 3 years go ahead. If you are 17 today, now after 3 years, this will be 20, right? After 3 years, we will go plus 3. 3 years from now, after 3 years, we go plus 3. Then Aftab is x, daughter is y. First of all, add 3. Here, once more thing, we will add or subtract in both. जब सिंपल सी बात है, एक की एज बढ़ेगी तो दूसरे की बढ़ेगी, एक की घटेगी तो दूसरे की घटेगी. अगर हम 3 ईयर आफ्टर 3 ईयर करें तो आफ्टर 3 ईयर दोनों को जम कराना है. राइट? नाउ I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. The Aftab is 3 times of his daughter. Aftab is 3 times as his daughter, right? Aftab is 3 times of his daughter. Now you can say similarly, always you will multiply in the lower, right? So this will be x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. This can be written as x minus 3y. y transfer here equal to 9 minus 3 minus plus 3 transfer here. So x minus 3y equal to 6. This becomes x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Equation number 2. These two are the geometrical representation of the data of the statement of the situation. So we can say geometrical.
जिले में कोरोना पॉजिटिव मरीजों की संख्या 14 ऐसा बताओ.
What is the geometrical representation? First is x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Second is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. These two equations represent the geometrical form of the statement. Now second problem is, sorry, not geometrical, algebraical. These two equations represent the algebraical form of the equation. Now we find out geometrical representation of the situation. As you studied in class 9th, the drawing a graph of the equations. So using same thing, we will draw the graph. So drawing any graph, first of all, we will try to find out two different solutions of the equation. Two different solutions of equation. So taking first equation, from equation first, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. we try to find out two different solutions. And this can be written as x minus 7y equal to minus 42. This can be written as x equal to minus 42 plus 7y. Right? So, by putting different value of x, we can find corresponding value of y. Any two different value of x, we can find corresponding value of y. But here we will try to find out solution within 10, plus 10 or minus 10. We try to find out the solution without like a whole number, without integer, because no problem, you can find we can put any value and find any corresponding value. But in our graph, we can draw easily like this number, whole number, right? Decimal 1 places also can be drawn, but decimal 2 places, 3 places is a problem. So always try to find out the solution like a whole number or a positive or negative integer. So we can put here, put y equal to 5. You can get x equal to minus 42 plus 7 into 5. So x equal to minus 42 plus 35. So x equal to minus 7. Right? When you put here y equal to 5, you get x equal to minus 7. So write it in a box. This will be useful for you. X, y. X is minus 7 when y is 5. You can put here equation also, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Okay, again put a value, put y equal to 7. Put y equal to 7, you get x equal to, put in this box, minus 42 plus 7 into 7. This will give you minus 42 plus 49. This is 7. Right? Minus 42 plus 7 into 7 gets, this is 49 and 7. So x is 7, y is 7. Right? Now taking, this is the two solution for this. We can put any value, can find any value, but if you put like this as a positive or negative integer, you will get easily simple solution. Now from equation second, x minus 3y equal to x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This can be written as x equal to 3y plus 6. In this case, we should put here, put y equal to 0. You can get here x equal to 3 into 0 plus 6. You can get here x equal to 0 plus 6, that is 6. In the next situation, x equal to 6 when y equal to 0. When you put y equal to 0, you get x equal to 6. Right? Again put y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. You will get x, put in this, equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 6. You will get minus 6 plus 6. That x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0, you get y equal to minus 2. Here one more thing. You can also simplify it by using one time x equal to 0, putting one time x equal to 0, y equal to 0, but that may get you confused in some question, right? So always try to put out, if you put value of y, always put value of y. If you use, you can use also value of x, so put value of x in both situations. Now we have